Good evening. This is a water cooler testing. In this, we will tell you how the water cooler cools the water in the tank, how the whole system runs, and it will. I will tell you the working of this machine. This is a main board of this water cooler panel. In this panel, we are showing you the energy meter, the energy consumption of full system, compressor, cutout LPHP cutout switch, pressure gauge low at low. It is at the evaporator inlet, and pressure gauge high at the compressor outlet, or you can say at the condenser inlet. This is a temperature selector to take the reading of temperature at different points. We have installed the PT100 sensor to detect the temperature at different points at T1 condenser inlet, T2, T3, T4, T5, and we have mentioned at points where uh, we had used a sensor to detect the temperature. We also provided two taps to collect the water, and this is a basin uh, and this is also a drain for a water. Now I'll tell you the working how it works. This is a compressor. This is it is service valve to fill up the refrigerant. We have used the gas 404A for the refrigerant as a refrigerant. This all red lines are hot lines, and blue is a cold line. So in this means in the red line the refrigerant is at high temperature, and in cold line this is at low temperature. Firstly, when this is the when refrigerant is coming back from the evaporator outlet into the compressor. A compressor compresses it and increases the pressure of it, and it comes out of the compressor. Then it is passed through the condenser. This is a line from which it is passed to the condenser coil. Condenser, we have used the 14 to 14 into 3 row condenser. This is a fan to cool the refrigerant. Through this number of coils, the refrigerant will pass on. Then it will pass through this channel from this, and then at this point, it is a at this point this is a dryer and filter where it will filter the refrigerant. Then it will pass through this tiny and small capillary tubes which will cool down its temperature. There is a complete circuit of capillary. Then it will pass through which it will go into the evaporator inlet, and there is a coiling around all this system which will cool the tank of the system. Then it will again come back from the evaporator outlet to the compressor. Then this working is same rotate in a cycle. This is also known as vapor absorption cycle, through which the water is cooling and we can attain the desired temperature in which we want to. I'll show you the temperatures of the different points. At condenser inlet, the refrigerant temperature right now is 34 degrees Celsius. Now, after passing through the number of coils with the help of fan, we are able to lower down its temperatures to 33.8 degrees Celsius. Then it will, after passing through the expansion valve, the temperature drops to evaporator inlet at 19.4 degrees Celsius. Then it will pass through the coiling of the system, and its temperature will come to at the evaporator outlet, the temperature comes out to 17 degrees Celsius. Now I'll show the temperature at which the right now water is in at the temperature. The attained temperature at the this is 8.1 degrees Celsius. We had on the machine from last 4 or 5 hours. That's through this we attain this temperature. You can attain the temperature to you want at that point. You can adjust the pressure gauges. These pressure gauges are at the point where you can control the pressure, or through this is a cutout where you can put the desired cutout, or where you want to stop the working of the compressor. We also have a ball valve inside to check the temperature of it, at which point the temperature will lower down. When the tank will fully fill up with water, the ball valve will up, and through drain the water can come out. Thank you. Thanks a lot.